Is this video being uploaded late? Yes. Is it because of the fact that I was busy doing other things and I couldn't edit this vlog in time? Yes. But did I have the time yesterday to edit this vlog? Yes. But I'm uploading it on my Friday because I started this Friday and I'm still going all the way through. So it's, we take the wins where we can get them, okay? Roll the footage. Whoa, I get cool blue lighting. Hello, vlog. We are at a plane, literally like 20 minutes away from where I live. There's a guy that lives in a plane, which is really sick. So we're checking it out. I'm with Austin, and I don't know, that's literally it. We're at a plane. Dang it.
Oh no!
Oh my god!
We were almost okay.
It folded!
What do you mean it folded?
It folded. Is it okay?
I don't know, let's find out.
What's that?
It doesn't work. I think it's fine.
Oh my god! What was that? 1 second, filming a bee.
Oh, okay.
It can't fly, it's just running. Yep, that's literally it. That's all for this video. As always, peace the frick out. Bye guys. That didn't work out as I wanted to.